What's up, what's up? It's Dive. I'm making Millie with Dive. I'm here today. I'm about to install this backup cam and trailer cam from my hotshot rig. I got the Do Honest HD backup cam, and you'll find the link in the description. But I'm gonna just hook that up today. So this is what we got. This is what it came with. I just got the box in, so it came with two cameras like this. I'm gonna install one right there over top of that backup light. So that way when my driver is hooking up to the trailer, the gooseneck to the hitch, he can see. I'm gonna install another one at the end of the trailer, so that way when he's backing up, you know what I'm saying, he can see. So it comes with two cams. It comes with an external screen, and that's something I wanted too. That's why I picked this brand, because it came with an external screen. And then it comes with like 60 feet of wire. So that way 40 foot for the trailer, and then another, I think 20 foot, so that way I can hook up that other cam to the truck. So I'm gonna hook that up today. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the 40-foot cable, run it underneath the trailer, and all I got is some zip ties. So I'm gonna zip tie everything, make sure the cables is hid right and not hanging. So I'm gonna show y'all what I just did. So this is right here. This is the wire, the 40-foot wire. So I just ran it all the way along the length of the trailer with already the lights, the wire that was already ran. So I just ran that, it was zip tied, so should be good to go. So I just ran the cable the length of the trailer, and now I'm about to secure the mount for the camera. And look, it's pretty sturdy. Got a nice metal mount. Comes with some self-tapping screws, so should be easy to mount. So I just screwed the cam on. It was easy. Literally just screwed it to the back of the bed. I'm gonna adjust the screws a little bit so that way I can get it in focus. Because what I'm trying to do is get it so when you hook up to the hitch, he could just hook up to it and see it in the cam. So next, this is the monitor. It's a nice size monitor. Right here, the yellow and the black, channel 1, channel 2. The power wire you just hook into the cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna just plug it in, make sure everything comes on. So I just plugged it on, everything came on. So I'm gonna hook up the cameras and make sure all them was working. So boom, comes to the inside, perfect, just how I needed it. That way when he hooks up that gooseneck, he can just back up and go. I ain't gotta keep getting out, making sure everything is right.